This is single room in the Jubilee Hotel in Victoria on Eccleston Square. I've just come up 3 flights of stairs, and this is a single room. Right, so you've got your tea, coffee facilities there, which personally I don't like because you got your hangers right there. So how can you like boil kettle the clothes? Basically, it's not great. There, you've got a safe, which doesn't even work. There's no can't even switch it on. So looks like you've got drawers here, big deep drawers. And then you got bin, radiator, telephone, and remote control for your TV. Got a towel and some soap. Single bed with just one pillow. Yeah, it's clean enough. Double socket there, I suppose you can use for charging your phone. Right, and then you've got the bathroom, which very small, very small. Clean toilet. Looks reasonable clean. Looks a bit dusty there. Yeah. A hair there. Looks like it's specks and mould. Yeah, a bit of a shabby sink. And there's the shower. Yeah. And cleanish. Yeah. Shower curtain could do with a nice clean. But yeah. So, as you can see how small it is. Literally. But yeah. So, not fire escape instructions. But yeah, I've got a lamp here as well, which don't even work. Yeah, okay, let's just triple check to see main lights work. Let's see if that works now. No. Let's see if the telly works. We've got all the controls here. Yeah. Right, come on in, look at this. You've got the original Victorian hallway floor. Yeah, totally works. And then you've got this. So yeah, as I said, this is a single room in the Jubilee Hotel Thanks for watching, and be grateful if you could subscribe so I can get out in that YouTube world. Thank you.